Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Sumo gel for an easy guide. First, make sure your hair is completely clean and dry. This ensures the gel can properly adhere and provide the desired hold. You'll only need a very small amount to start, about the size of a pea. Always begin with clean hands to avoid transferring any oils or dirt to your hair or the product. This simple preparation step is crucial for achieving a flawless finish. Once you have that small amount of gel, rub it between your palms until it's evenly spread and warm. This emulsification helps with smooth distribution. Now, work the gel through your hair, starting from the roots and moving towards the ends. Make sure to cover all areas where you want hold and definition. Pay extra attention to sections that tend to frizz or need more structure. Even coverage is key for a consistent look. With the gel distributed, it's time to sculpt your hair into your desired style. You can use your fingers for a more natural, textured look or a comb for a sleeker finish. If you find certain areas need a bit more hold, add another tiny amount of gel, perhaps half a pea size, and work it in. Once styled, let the gel air dry or use a diffuser on a low setting. This allows the product to set, providing a firm and lasting hold throughout your day. To achieve the best results, remember not to overapply the gel. Too much can make your hair feel stiff or look greasy, which we definitely want to avoid. Every hair type is unique, so don't hesitate to experiment with slightly more or less product to find your perfect amount. For optimal product longevity, always store your Sumo gel in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Following these tips will help you achieve a fantastic style every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.